Hello, my name is EpexJava, and I'm the developer of op1REpackerGUI. Today we're going to be going over install instructions for macOS. I also have a video on how to do this setup on Windows. The link will be in the description. Okay, so to start, we're going to want to download this program from the GitHub repo. We're going to do that by going to Code and then Download Zip. Now I have this download already. This is in my Downloads folder, so I just recommend saving it somewhere that you know. Once we have that, we're going to need to grab an op1 firmware file from Teenage Engineering, and we're going to do that here and download the latest version, number 246. And then you're going to need Python. Now macOS has Python built in, but we don't want to use that. It's going to cause issues in this release. So go to the website and download Python, the latest version here. And I have that saved already. So we're going to head and run that. I just ran it. But let's go through all the steps. Just agree, continue, install, enter admin. All right, so it's going to do the setup here. It should finish pretty quickly. Okay, it finished. All right. Nice, thanks, Mac. All right, so we're going to go to op1REpackerGUI. Now, we need to open a terminal window here. As you can see here, I have my path bar at the bottom. We're going to enable that by going to View and then do Show Path Bar. And what this will do is give us this path bar at the bottom, and we can two-finger click this or right-click this, and then we can open a terminal window that targets this folder. All right, so now that we're here, you're going to want to run the install script. And so to do that, we're going to do .install.sh and run that. All right, it's going to ask for sudo. It's just your admin password or your computer password. All right, so you're going to have to press enter a couple times here. We're going to set up Homebrew. So I hit enter. And this might take a little bit. It's downloading a bunch of dependencies and libraries and system libraries that the tool needs to run. I think one of the first things that it does is install Xcode software tools, command line tools. Yeah, downloading command line tools for Xcode. All right, so we're going to let that finish, and I'll see you guys when it's done. It's been a few minutes, but you can see here that it's working away. Sometimes it may hang for a little bit. Installing Xcode tools, that's normal. Just let that happen. If you wait long enough, it should finish. So far, it's been about 5 minutes, so we'll see how long this takes. Okay, looks like it's done. So when it finishes, you'll see this note here. It says Python dependencies installed, setup completed successfully. Would you like to start op1REpackerGUI now? And we're going to type yes. And if everything completed correctly, the program should start. Nice. All right, cool. So we have a successful install, and this is the main window for op1REpackerGUI. Okay, so we're going to close that, and let's just say you want to run this again, right? So we're going to go back to our op1REpackerGUI folder. We're going to go down to the path bar, and we're going to two-finger or right-click and open in terminal. And then we're going to just run the setup script again. And if everything was done correctly, the program should just start. There we go. All right. Hope you guys enjoy. If you run into any issues, let me know about them. I'll do my best to help out. All right.